Hello guys, my name is Mahmoud. I'm a sales consultant at Steele Hyundai Halifax. In this video, I will be showing you around the 2021 Hyundai Kona EV. Stay tuned. The 2021 Kona features a very youthful and eye-catching design. Aerodynamics was greatly taken into consideration with the design. The front grille and the wheels were specifically designed to be more aerodynamic to make the car more efficient. It has a very nice wide body stance. Beautiful bold look. The Kona is powered by a 200 horsepower all-electric engine. It has a 64 kilowatt battery pack with a range of up to 415 kilometers on a single charge. I've been driving the Kona for a while now, and it's quite compelling to drive. Especially at highway speeds, it's very planted, very stable. Very amazing overall driving dynamic, instant acceleration. Let's take a look at the interior now. Very nicely designed interior. High quality materials. The Kona comes standard with safety features such as lane keep assist, forward collision warning, and emergency braking assist. Backup camera. We have heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 3 different drive modes. Kona has very comfy back seats, plenty of leg room, plenty of headroom. Beautiful dashboard design. The Kona features plenty of cargo space. Hope you guys enjoyed this quick review. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach to us at Steele Hyundai Halifax 902-454-1000. Thank you.